Hey Maddie, I wanted to make this video for you to help you out on Scratch so you know how to get things turned in, because we're going to do a few other assignments in Scratch besides this movie scenes assignment. So I just wanted to help clarify things so you know how to get stuff turned in so you can get credit for it. So if you're in here on Scratch, where you've been working on something, and once you're done, ready to turn it in, you have to go up here first to where it says share. Now if you don't see the share button, let me know, because then I can make a different video to show you how to get that button so it shows up. But if you do see that button, you have to make sure to hit the share button so you can click on it. It'll take you to here, it'll say congratulations, you shared it. And then there's a few different ways you can do it. From here you can copy and paste the URL, or you can just say copy link. You just say copy, and that works too. And then you just take this back to Canvas and submit it on Canvas as a link, a URL. So let me know if that helps. Let me know if you're still lost, and we can go from there.